coming up in this video.
Watch how fresh tomatoes become smooth, rich ketchup inside a modern factory, from careful processing to precise filling, revealing machines, methods, and quality checks that deliver every bottle consistently worldwide every day.
Tomatoes grown specifically for factory ketchup production.
Only fully ripe tomatoes are selected.
Only fully red tomatoes are selected for ketchup production.
Initial sorting begins at the farm.
Quality checks prevent defects later. Designed to prevent crushing.
Freshly harvested tomatoes are prepared for transport.
Next stop, the Ketchup Factory.
Tomatoes are loaded carefully into transport trucks.
Transport speed protects tomato quality.
Ventilated trucks help keep tomatoes fresh during travel. The journey begins toward the ketchup factory.
Every load is logged.
Ready for factory intake.
Designed for continuous food processing.
Dedicated intake for fresh tomatoes.
The tomato ketchup factory receives fresh farm deliveries. Strict hygiene rules are followed at the factory entrance.
Raw processing begins inside.
Gentle unloading protects tomato structure.
Tomatoes move into the processing facility.
Field debris removed immediately.
Visual checks continue inside.
Tomatoes are washed to remove dirt and debris.
Final rinse ensures cleanliness.
Only clean tomatoes continue to processing.
Clean batch, stabilized before processing.
Prepared for core processing. Tomatoes are mechanically crushed.
Clean tomatoes are crushed into pulp.
Natural enzymes are deactivated.
Skins and seeds are removed.
The tomato base is refined for cooking.
Refined tomato base obtained. Prepared for transformation stage.
Process flow is precisely controlled.
Ready for main transformation.
Cooking transforms tomato base. How tomato ketchup is made in a factory.
The tomato base is slowly cooked.
Core ingredients added precisely. How tomato ketchup is made in a factory. Uniform mixing is essential.
Ingredients like vinegar and sugar are added.
Flavor profile is finalized.
Heat thickens the mixture and develops flavor.
Water removal intensifies flavor.
Next, high-tech automation.
Automation ensures consistency at scale.
Automated machines control the entire process.
Flow rate monitored continuously.
High-pressure systems improve texture.
Particle size is reduced.
Next, the ketchup undergoes homogenization, where powerful pistons force the mixture through narrow gaps at high pressure.
The ketchup moves through sealed pipelines.
Temperature adjusted for filling.
All systems are green across the board.
Real-time monitoring confirms optimal flow.
Following the automated cleaning verification, the rich, vibrant ketchup flow resumes, heading towards the finishing lines.
Ketchup is cooled before filling.
Directed toward filling line.
Containers prepared hygienically.
Exact volumes dispensed. How tomato ketchup is made in a factory.
Bottles are filled with exact quantities.
Caps oriented automatically.
Caps are sealed tightly on every bottle.
Every bottle is visually inspected.
Fill accuracy confirmed. Here, the automated unit applies short pneumatic taps to check the seal before the bottles move on.
Samples are tested in the laboratory.
To ensure microbial safety, samples are placed in a sterile testing chamber.
Only approved ketchup moves forward.
How tomato ketchup is made in a factory.
Finished bottles are packed into boxes.
Once filled, the boxes move down the line where the sealing head applies a strip of clear packing tape, securing the product for shipment. Once the bottles are filled and capped, they are boxed and moved to the palletizing station, where robots stack them for shipment. Once filled, the bottles are packed and the pallets are tightly shrink-wrapped for transport to ensure they arrive securely.
packed ketchup is stored in warehouses.
Forklifts carefully move the wrapped pallets into the waiting transport trucks to be delivered fresh to your local store.
With the doors secured, the fresh batch of tomato ketchup begins its journey to the supermarkets.
We process thousands of bottles an hour here, which are then loaded onto these trucks for distribution.
How tomato ketchup is made in a factory.
Products are shipped to markets worldwide.